Hey there. Are you tired of that musty, mildew smell coming from your dryer every time you do laundry? Don't worry, I've got you covered. In today's video, I'll be walking you through a step-by-step guide on how to get mildew smell out of your dryer. By the end of this video, you'll be breathing easy and your laundry will smell fresher than ever. But first, what are the tools and materials you'll need to complete this task? For the full list and where to get them, check the description and pinned comment below. Now that you have all your tools and materials ready, let's get rid of that awful smell. Get rid of it! Step 1. Empty the dryer. Alright, let's dive in. First things first, you need to empty the dryer of any clothes or other items. This gives you easy access to all areas of the dryer and ensures you won't get any cleaning solution on your clothes. Also, don't forget to wash those items with a mildew-removing solution or leave them outside to air out if they still have a mildew smell. Step 2. Clean the dryer drum. Now, let's get to the heart of the matter, the dryer drum. This is where the clothes are placed during the drying process, and it's one of the main culprits behind mildew growth. Mix equal parts water and vinegar in a bucket or container, then use a cloth or sponge to apply the solution to the inside of the drum. Make sure to get into all those nooks and crannies. Then, wipe away any excess solution, dirt, or grime with a clean cloth or paper towels. Step 3. Wipe down the door seal and other areas. The door seal and other areas of the dryer can also harbor mildew, contributing to that pesky musty smell. So, let's tackle those spots. Using the same vinegar solution from before, scrub the door seal and any other areas that may be dirty or have visible mildew growth. Don't forget those crevices and corners. Finally, wipe away any excess solution, dirt, or grime. Step 4. Air out the dryer. Now, let's let the dryer breathe a little. Leave the door open and let the drum and other surfaces dry completely. This will help kill any remaining mildew spores and remove lingering odors. If possible, do this on a sunny day to speed up the drying process. Remember, don't run the dryer until it's completely dry. You don't want to risk starting a fire. Step 5. Vacuum the exhaust hose and lint screen area. Time to break out the vacuum cleaner. The exhaust hose and lint screen can become clogged with lint and debris, preventing airflow and leading to mildew growth. Locate the exhaust hose and lint screen on your dryer, and use a vacuum cleaner with a hose attachment to suck out any lint or debris. Be careful not to damage these parts while vacuuming, and replace them if they're damaged or excessively clogged. Step 6. Run a cycle with a damp towel or fabric softener sheets. Moving on, let's freshen up that dryer. Place either a damp towel or a few sheets of fabric softener in the dryer drum, along with a mildew-removing solution or an odor-removing laundry product. Close the door and run a normal drying cycle on low or medium heat. The heat will help evaporate any remaining smells, while the damp towel or fabric softener sheets absorb the odors. But remember, don't overstuff the dryer or use a high heat setting, as this could potentially cause a fire. Step 7. Air out the dryer again. After the cycle, let's give the dryer another chance to breathe. Leave the door open and allow the drum and other surfaces to air out for a few hours or overnight. This will help ensure that any lingering odors are completely gone. Step 8. Clean the lint screen. Next up, let's tackle that lint screen. Remove the screen from your dryer and locate any lint or debris that may have accumulated on it. Use a brush or a vacuum cleaner hose to remove the lint or debris, and then place the screen back in its designated spot. Step 9. Clean the exhaust vent. Now, it's time to clean the exhaust vent. You'll need a dryer vent cleaning kit for this step, which you can find at a hardware store or online. These kits come with brushes and other tools designed specifically for cleaning dryer vents. Follow the manufacturer's instructions, paying extra attention to any particularly clogged or dirty areas. Be careful not to damage the exhaust vent while cleaning it. Step 10. Run a high heat cycle with towels or sheets. Last but not least, let's kill any remaining mildew spores that may still be lurking in the dryer. Place a load of towels or sheets in the dryer drum and set the heat setting to high. Close the door and run a normal drying cycle. Just be cautious not to overstuff the dryer or use a high heat setting for any heat-sensitive items that may shrink or get damaged. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to get mildew smell out of your dryer in 10 simple steps. Your dryer should now smell fresh and clean, and your clothes will be free of that musty odor. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more life-changing tips and tricks. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you liked it and found it useful. If so, please like, share, and comment to let me know what you thought. Your feedback is important to me. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss any of my upcoming videos.